Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In our previous video on Microsoft Endpoint Manager, we were talking about apps, app deployment, app protection policy and app configuration policy. So we have seen all the options available under apps. In today's video, we will be looking at what are all the options available under endpoint security. So these are the main options that any admin work under endpoint security, like creating a security baseline, applying antivirus firewall. ATP option is available, which is a cloud solution, and a conditional access policy can be applied from here, and also a device compliance policy can be applied under endpoint security. So let's go to the console now. So these are the options available under endpoint all devices, in which whatever the device you enroll, it will show up over here. And the next option is security baseline. Baseline is something like we create a baseline. We create a specific global setting from Intune. We will deploy the settings to all the mobile devices. Okay. So under security baseline, there are three categories baselines created. For example, if you click on Windows 10 security baseline, and you can create a specific policy specific to Windows 10. So let's see what are all the settings available under this Windows 10 baseline. Choose next. So you will see all the options available that is a part of Windows 10, like BitLocker, Autoplay, App Runtime, DMA policy, firewall, Internet Explorer settings. If you expand each and every settings, it will tell you what kind of settings is applied and not configured. So based on the company's standard requirement, you can apply your standard over here. So this policy will get applied on the mobile devices, which changes the settings immediately from the baseline. So those kind of control you can do it under security baseline. Under security tasks, so whatever the vulnerability that you find as part of endpoint security will show up over here. So from admin point of view, you can view all the vulnerability and take action against this threat. Under manage, we have antivirus. So under manage, we have multiple preview version of antivirus, firewall, endpoint reduction policy. So many options are available. It is always recommended to apply this preview version in a testing environment first, and after that roll out in production environment. So under antivirus, if you create a policy, so these policies are specific to Mac and Windows 10. For example, if you choose Windows 10, you will have a Defender option and Windows security option. So if you are not aware of what is these options are, so when you choose that option at the bottom, it will clearly tell you what kind of threat reduction it can perform it from this particular policy. So just create this option and provide a name, test like test policy. Choose next. So if you see all the option that is specific to antivirus, like file exclusion, folder exclusion, and security intelligence updates, so those options are available. So if you go to scan settings and see what are all the options available. Alright, so these are specific to this Windows 10 antivirus. Instead of doing it from a single PC, you can configure the settings and deploy it globally for all the Windows 10 PCs. So likewise, you can create a policy for Windows security experience. Let's see what is under Windows security experience. That is another type of security antivirus. So if you choose it, it will clearly tell you that it is this app that is used by a number of Windows security features to provide the health and security of that particular machine. So apply all these policies specific to Windows, and whatever the policy or whatever the threat it finds, it will throw under security task. So as an admin, from admin perspective, you just verify all those options, whichever is vulnerable, that is threat to your organization, immediately do an action on it. Likewise, under disk encryption, this applies for BitLocker and FileVault option. So BitLocker is encryption technology specific to a Windows computer, and FileVault is for Mac OS. So under BitLocker, if you have worked on BitLocker, normally we apply a group policy from the AD level, so which talks about OS level configuration. So let me create a policy. BitLocker, choose next option. So if you can see here, so it is specific to any OS drive, a removal disk, USB or hard disk, or if you want to apply this policy on a fixed drive, you can apply the policy over here. So basically what happens is it will encrypt your hard disk outside, not at the data level. So whenever a user logs onto a laptop, PIN number or TPM password is required to log on to the laptop. So that kind of restriction you can perform using disk encryption. The next option available is firewall, which is straightforward. For Windows 10, we have a Windows Defender firewall, which blocks the unwanted network traffic. And for Mac OS, we have built-in firewall, and it is used to restrict the apps. So the next option is endpoint detection response. It is a cloud detection tool specific to Windows 10 and later. So it will respond to all kind of threat detection, and under attack surface detection. This is also under preview version. What happens here is you apply app and browser isolation. Like if you create policy, choose Windows 10. An application guard, Windows Defender application guard policy can be applied from here. There are multiple options available specific to application guard, device control, application control, Windows smart screen control, block unsigned apps from accessing the kernel part. So that kind of restrictions you can apply it from here. And we have account protection option as well. So what happens in account protection is it uses a Windows Allow technology and credential guards with UEFI lock mode. So using this option, all the accounts of users are being restricted. It is secured within Windows 10. So you can create a policy specific to that. And we have a device compliance, conditional access. We have seen this under devices. And Microsoft Defender ATP is a cloud tool that is specific to all Windows 10, Windows Server, all kind of application can be monitored using ATP. So if you choose ATP and if you have a Defender ATP subscription already, you can tag that subscription over here, and you can make all the device in a centralized view. So under all devices, it will show up all the information and security tasks, a single centralized console for an administrator to see what are all the vulnerabilities happening in your environments. That is configurable under Microsoft Defender ATP. So hopefully we have covered everything under endpoint security on an eye level. So this gives you a brief understanding about what are all the options available, what kind of settings that you can apply from the Microsoft Endpoint Manager. So in the next video, we will try to cover all the 4 sections like reports, users, groups, and tenant administration. And apart from that, nothing more from MIM side. Hopefully this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos from my side. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.